hands of FEU. FEU took game number 1 of the finals, and LaSalle had to lean on some late game injuries. Did not play the whole season para dito sa kupunan ng LaSalle, but will be available for UAAP season 87. Hernandez on the push. Quick attack, and that is just out.
And Adahar, also magaling din pong mag-distribute, tsaka umaatake din po kahit minsan.
Soft shot by Mendoza, played. Captain gets it across. Martinez has to choose another target. And this time, nailusot naman. Litong si Ariel natin. Cannot hear ourselves anymore as Bituin. And Eman Hernandez, that is returned. Hernandez tries again, soft shot this time. Benny drops it in.
Yes.
Hernandez. Martinez has to attack again. Pangontra ni Mendoza, nahabol pa rin ni Guerrero. And that is barely sent across by Eman Hernandez. And again, Benny Martinez puts it away.
Dami mo makukuha ang attackers.
No look set, Magalaman, that is good. Ana's on a roll right now. Back set, Bricks, 5 for 5. Ana Gupico.
Hindi niya alam.
Pero up to now, sinasabi niya pa rin sa akin kanina, nararamdaman pa rin niya ang epekto ng jet lag. Because
Meron
it's
talaga.
different. You know,
Ay, wow.
Ahmed.
Mapapakanta ko niya ng Megan Thee Stallion.
Ay! Tinapos tuloy yung tira
But
ni
in the
Emma.
past few games, ang ganda ng attacks nitong si Lyric.
Eman also one of the best attackers on this team.
Very consistent yung pinapakita nila in this first set, but will they be able to maintain that?
Well, observe. Alisayan. Cross-court beauty. Yung arch nemesis niya dati, Charo Soriano. That's really going back in time.
Naku, 10 years yun.
Yeah. Hernandez still cannot score. Saavedra, 7 for 7. Oh, you!
Maliit lang sila from afar, pero pagkatabi mo ang tatangkad. Kahit yung tingin mo maliit, matangkad.
Saavedra, that's the first time he's been denied. Eman Hernandez, nabawi naman ni Saavedra on the defensive end. Kuyang bola yan, Gupico, kasalanan mo yan.
Kukunin ko.
Running attack, Magalaman. Starter. Almost gets the ace. The late set, Ventura. Kept alive by De Guzman. Combination, Talisaya. Kept alive by Guerrero. Back row, Ventura. Adahar is now serving. Saavedra gets it through. 90 last Wednesday, straight from the airport to the Field Sports Arena. Ventura finds the corner again. And there's veterans there in Codilla and Cacao if you need them. Bituin, challenged at the net. De Guzman pinamigay. Echo, where does he go? He goes to Magalaman once again. 6 going. LaSalle 9, FEU 6. Charles Absin.
Did you see that?
It's served again by Canton. Saavedra. 11 of 13. Siya na naman. Absin. Absint naman.
Naku, parang ano yun, may tama.
Mukhang may history ka na kay Absint. Bituin! Denied by Magalaman!
But mentally.
Yeah.
Because you can't dwell on things.
Oo.
Kailangan talaga move on ka agad kasi sa volleyball.
Talisayan. Martinez. Adahar, back set, Ventura. Talisayan! Yes! Jump float this time. Martinez. Again, Saavedra. 14 of 16. Are you? Unless tumama sa antena. Score is tied at 19. LaSalle's once mighty 4-point lead is gone. Back set, Saavedra. Third time he's been denied. Saavedra, unti-unti na nagbabalance out. And that is Saavedra with a net violation. Sa intensity nitong ating laban. Martinez can't convert. Adahar goes to Campton. Gets it off the block. 2-point lead now for Lasal. They go to a combination play, but Adahar is able to get... Has saved 2 set points. And Davis tie it up. Service ace all the set points. Can they get the set point? That's going to be a point. Oh, overreach. EU has been playing catch-up. Boom, second set. Martinez goes to the back. Saavedra, yes! Lyric puts it in. Oh, denial! Adahar, Campton. Oh, the block is in!
Malaki yung community ng volleyball players
you
na
bet.
Filipino
Yep.
in America.
That's right. Saavedra continues to be the number. Back set, Ventura, finally a point for Lasal. Absin with a good one. Emma Hernandez is denied by Lyric Mendoza. Vegas will now serve. Ceballos, Saavedra, off the block again.
Gloria and si Hernandez, medyo similar yung kilos nila when it comes to
Oh.
blocks.
And that... Poquita in trouble again. And Sally...
EU. I've seen them in the first parts of D-League. Alam mo, matatag na sila as a team, polished na, pero meron pa pala silang i-improve.
including this kid. Famous win for you here in this set. Martinez, quick release from Absin.
Hindi na pala.
JJ. Campton lets it go out. Hernandez. Martinez. Espartero can't score. Poquita on the back set. Campton from behind. Kept alive by FEU. Hernandez, yes!
Problem.
Yep.
Ang ganda ng blocking ng FEU. Hindi sila maka-penetrate at maka-convert.
Guerrero's doing his best. Hernandez finds an open zone.
Kakapasok pa lang niya nun.
Martinez, combination play! And even the defense is for the championship.
Everybody's ready for the confetti!
And